Hi guys, my name is Oscar. In this course, I will teach you everything you need to know to get started writing HTML. In this course, I will give you the very basic knowledge of HTML at the point where you may take yourself to the next level. This course is designed for all Rwandans who are located in the software development sector, and for good reason I will be explaining in both Kinyarwanda and English. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and if you have ever been on the internet, almost every single page on the internet was written in this language called HTML. It is a document which is saved with .html extension. For example, Microsoft Word document. When you look at the Microsoft Word document, it has .word.docs extension. The .docs, it is an extension for Microsoft Word document. And when I say HTML document, it is a document which has .html extension. That document becomes a web page at the time we access it in the browser. If you have understood what is a HTML document, then what is a HTML? Actually, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Iyo tuvuze ngo hypertext ni uburyo za dokima za HTML noneho tugenda tuzihuza. Ni ukuvuga reba nk'urugero nko kuri Facebook, ari amalinki ukunda kubona ari kuri Facebook, ari amalinki tuyita hypertext kubera ko iriya link iyo uyikliritseho ikujyana ku yindi page. Iriya nibyo twita hypertext. Noneho iyo tuvuze markup language, iyo tuvuge markup language, urareba nk'iyo turi muri Microsoft Word turi kwandika bisanzwe, tutayipinga bisanzwe, kubera ko iriya ni Microsoft Word document tuba turi gukora. Noneho iyo turi muri HTML document turandika bisanzwe, ariko twebwe tugendera kuri tag. Nuva turandika tag, hanyuma content, then tag. Tag harimo iziri opening tag na closing tag. Iyo dufite opening tag na closing tag, uhera kuri opening tag, content, closing tag.